and welcome back. Today what I wanted to show you is my Nordace Siena backpack, and I'm going to take this carry-on only on the airplane. And by carry-on only, I mean I'm not bringing a suitcase. This is all I'm bringing for a 5-day trip to Los Angeles. So I'm going to show you how I pack this and really how much fits in this amazing backpack. So to start off, I normally put different things in different packing cubes based on what they are, because you can really use them as drawers while you're traveling. So pants here, shirts here. However, because I only have a backpack, I'm only going to use 2 of them because that's kind of how they fit. So what I'm bringing is 2 sweaters, 2 fairly large cardigans, 2 dresses, and then I'll also be wearing something on the plane. So that will be additional. And then I have 2 pairs of leggings and PJ shorts, and then also some tank tops. So to get this in here, what I'm going to do, so there is one very large pocket right here, and so I'm going to put this, I'm going to try to put it kind of face down like this, and then I'll get this other one in here as well. So depending on how long you want to take kind of stuffing it in there, it can go down further, but that's really the effort I'm going to put into it today. And then I have 1 bag of toiletries that are more like non-liquids. So I have makeup remover pads, I have a hair tie, I have some extra sunglasses, just some random stuff to put in there. I'll put that in there also, and then all of my unmentionables to put in there. Okay. My belt, actually this is probably going to go in one of these, but I will do this for now. And this is going to be my TSA approved 1 quart bag with all of my liquids as well. You'll want to leave this on the top because they will ask you to take it out most likely. Even if you have TSA pre-check, they probably will have you take it out. So just leave that at the top. I also have just some food things. So I like to put these, this is my it's a laundry bag, but it's nice to bring your snacks on the way. Okay. And then I have all my cords as well. All right, so I will recommend not doing it this way actually because my computer needs to go in here, but now this is pretty stuffed. So we're going to see if we can get the computer in there. Okay, we're going to close this. But if you see how much I got in there, pretty great. Okay. And then I like to use a computer sleeve just simply because this is not that strong or that, I mean, it's a little bit padded, but it's not that padded. However, because I packed this the wrong way, I think that I'm going to just show you by putting the computer in because it is a little bit bulked up right now. But so basically that's where the computer goes. So then I just have the things that I'll need when I am on the plane. So I have a pair of sunglasses in there. I'm going to put my headphones in this nice little sniffy, that's not a word. Spiffy, nice little spiffy side pocket, and then along with my wallet so that it's easy to get out when they ask for it at the airport. So this is basically it. This is 5 days of clothing for a trip to Los Angeles from where I live, and it's going to be TSA compliant. You'll be able to pull everything out when you can, and this is really all you need. Let me know if you have any other questions about this backpack or about packing for TSA, and let me know if you have any other suggestions as well for videos you'd like to see. And don't forget to subscribe below so I can keep making videos like this.